Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I begin my video with 5 of my favorite clips. 5 or so, I don't know. So this is the Dihel waterfall, the summit. The views. Oh, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Especially subscribing. Getting 1,000 subscribers is not a joke, guys. It's not. And this video is raw and unfiltered. This time I did not put a lot of music. I only put on the road, but most of the clips are raw and unfiltered. This is my favorite clip of all. It is my favorite clip. I had fun, guys. I had fun. I love that clip. I was in the moment that they made it. I was happy. We did cross a lot of rivers and small bridges. I can't keep count of how many. This is one of the small waterfalls along the way. So this is how it all began. From Cape Town all the way to Grootwinterhoek Nature Reserve. So we're in, I don't know this place, but we're almost there. That's what I know. Yeah, so come with me to an overnight hike camp. So this is the 10 off of Grootwinterhoek Nature Reserve. So we had to take some pictures here. And the weather has changed. It was starting to rain. Oh, this was about 9 a.m. Yeah, it was 9 a.m. But anyway, the views. Oh, it was beautiful. So we had arrived here. So this is the parking lot, and we did our check-in at the offices and come back ready to go on the thrilling adventure. So I did not take the first few kilometers from the starting point. This is us dip into the trail. Guys, this is so cool. I am so cool, guys. I am cool. Unfortunately, people that do not love nature, no hiking, won't be able to understand the feeling that you get. It's a different kind of feeling that can never be explained. See how happy? I was happy. Ever had a situation a moment whereby your mind is just blank and you're just there, happy to be there. I was happy. Rivers into the wilderness. Here we go. This was lovely. Yeah, this is the emo hyping me up.
Yes, when I girl.
Of course, we had to take content.
Come back. Come back.
We had to take content. On my previous videos, someone commented that, do we eat or not? Because I wasn't putting my videos while we're eating. So on this clip, I decided to put
everything is breaking left and right.
A video of us eating. So this is us having our small break. The other part of the group had already gone. Yeah, so we just had to sit and eat here.
Madam, what are you eating?
I was having a potato salad. Oh.
You finish eating.
So we had a quick break.
Mrs.
And got our energy back. Yeah. This is us energized and ready to go. Wow. Oh, this is my favorite clip. I love this moment. I was happy. Oh, I love rain. I love getting wet. Yeah. Look at us, guys. Yeah. So this is Bonnie, Wale, Emo, and Joy, and Bianca. Yeah. This is nice.
Video.
A quick group video. While he has rain in that bit, he was frustrated here and just wanted to get to the heart. So sorry, Wale. So this is the small waterfall along the way that you pass through. It's beautiful. And since it was getting dark, we only took pictures. Yeah, a few pictures. Then we had it. Oh, we had it on. So this is one of the tents that you take and you pass through that river, and we could not take off our shoes because they were already wet from the rain. This is what it's called crossing the horizons to get to you. I love this. I love this. After hours of walking, hours and hours of walking, we finally arrived at the hut. So we left our bags and headed to the summit to see the Dahlia waterfall. Yeah. Crossing rivers. Crossing bridges again.
Here we're here.
This is Wale taking me videos. Cute. The view. The view is insane. Then I put this on flight mode. So that's why I was laughing.
Beautiful.
Thank you. This is us at the summit. Guys, this is, I swear, camera do not do justice. This is beautiful. It is beautiful. Look at that waterfall. Unfortunately, I could not get down because it was getting darker and it was raining, so that would be a bit slippery. So we just took a few videos. Yeah, and enjoy the moment for a little bit, then headed back. Oh, wow. The view. Take me back. Yeah.
That you follow when you cook it, but that's
When you're touching my fire, my fire like this now.
Just chit chatting.
Let me see. Oh, when you wanna when you want to kill the mouse, what is that?
One of my best nights.
When you want to kill the mouse. No, where you
I don't remember
yeah,
the time
but
that
what
was
is
there,
it in
but
food?
yeah, we kept one. Then again, and the boys it went to their own hearts.
This thing is more like what you call 30 seconds.
Yeah.
It's more like 30 seconds, but at least this is the simple version of it.
Yeah.
30 seconds, you cook.
Then you say, oh, that's again.
Yeah, it is. Play again. Play this again. Yeah. I know before I make silent jumping like it. Oh, it's a. Oh yeah. At least if I were Pongola, I can.
It's a good morning from Daihao. Yeah, this is us on our way back here to take videos since the last time we did not take. And this is all we've been talking Oh, that was one of the best at the time of my life. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscription button. Thank you and see you soon.